Hey everyone, welcome back to the Encrypted Capital Recap for Wednesday, April 28th. First off, we got Bitcoin at about even right now. Ethereum is making a nice move to the upside, up a couple percentage points. This dog shit coin, Doggy Coin, is up 12%, which we are not touching. And XMR is also looking really good. One of the last privacy coins is up approximately 6% in the last 24 hours. Did want to let you guys know about our Encrypted Capital newsletter. We send this out every morning. This was our daily brief this morning. You guys can check out, we go over some of the top headlines as well as some of the performers with charts and then our general market outlook. So if you guys want that free to your email box every day, you guys can go ahead and subscribe. We do have a free version and a paid version. And let's get on to the news. We got Musk. He says Tesla sold Bitcoin to prove liquidity as cash alternative. This came out the other day. And if you guys recall in one of our previous videos, we were mocking Pomp, how he was talking about Musk not selling or not having Tesla sell any of its Bitcoin and converting it to fiat currency. He put that out March 24th, and here we are about a month later, and he says that Tesla did sell some Bitcoin to prove liquidity as cash alternative. This is exactly why we do not listen to Elon Musk or anything he says. It makes zero sense for him to go ahead and say that Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoin holdings to demonstrate the token's liquidity. Absolute BS. While adding that he's retained his personal investment in the cryptocurrency. I don't buy this stuff one bit. Why would this gentleman say that Tesla was not going to convert Bitcoin to fiat if he was just going to do so a month later? This is called price manipulation. This is why we do not listen to the billionaires. They do not have your best interest in mind, as we've proven time and time again, and Musk has just proved us right one more time. Do not listen to this guy. This guy should be in jail for manipulating these markets with his little tweets that he makes every other day, it seems, for Doggy Coin and Bitcoin. And we do know that the SEC was coming after him for his Doggy Coin tweets. I don't know if anything ever came out of that. Maybe I'll cover that in the next video. But this is absolutely ridiculous. We're not going to convert into fiat, and then 1 month later, we sold to prove liquidity. Yeah, right. It's called profit taking. That's all that is profit taking. The fact that people fall for their stuff is absolutely ridiculous. Next up, what do we got? Will Facebook's earnings report reveal it holds Bitcoin? It says there is no official proof that Facebook holds any Bitcoin, but the rumors have begun to circulate that the massive tech company does hold the cryptocurrency. Proof of the company's holdings is set to be revealed tomorrow during its earnings call on April 28th. So that was yesterday, and today is April 28th. I have not seen any news about that, but if that does prove to be accurate, who knows if we get a nice push on out of here for Bitcoin. Right now, we're teetering around 55,000. Also, we have the nifty news. Ellen's NFT auction flops. Good. I hope everything she does flops. It goes on to say that the much hyped NFT sale by popular talk show host Ellen DeGeneres has fallen flat, with the comedian selling just 5 out of 10 available gold editions of her Woman with Stick Cat NFT for $2,500. Crypto Cobain had a little comment on here on Twitter. It says, "How about we all just agree nobody bids on this?" This is the type of BS that celebrities are selling, preying on idiotic consumers to actually fall for this crap. Absolutely ridiculous. I don't know when this is going to stop, but I do hope it stops soon. The only thing I can see NFT actually having real value for is if it is a, let's say, house, a real asset that becomes tokenized on the blockchain and there's only one NFT for that house. That makes perfect sense. But for all this celebrity digital artwork BS that's coming out, absolutely ridiculous. I do not advise getting in on any of this stuff. It is getting to be crazier and crazier by the day. It seems like every other day we have some celebrity coming out with some stupid NFT. Do not advise getting into any of these. Buy suppressed assets. We've talked about a bunch of them in our newsletter. Definitely subscribe to that. You guys will not be disappointed. Forget about this. This is like really a picture of it. Like my 8-year-old can draw a better picture of a cat than this. and the fact that you have this woman person backing it, absolutely insane. So next up, we got the U.S. officials arrest alleged operator of $336 million Bitcoin mixing service. If you guys don't know, a mixing service is going to be used by anybody who hacks Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that fact. It will help mask where those transactions are coming from so they cannot get caught. It says U.S. officials have arrested the alleged operator using this mixing service on allegations of laundering $336 million over the course of 10 years. According to public court documents, federal agents arrested Roman Sterlingoff, a Russian and Swedish citizen on 3 charges stemming from his alleged involvement with Bitcoin mixing service Bitcoin Fog, unlicensed money transmission, money laundering, and money transmission without a license. Doesn't look like this has really impacted Bitcoin too tremendously. It's still hovering around this $55,000 mark, and this came out yesterday. Yeah, no impact on the news whatsoever or on the current price. It says SBI doubled crypto business profits in past fiscal year. SBI is one of the biggest investors in Ripple. SBI's total pre-tax profit from its crypto business surged above $174 million in the past fiscal year. On Wednesday, SBI released a report of the company's financial results, disclosing that its pre-tax crypto-powered profits during the past fiscal year accounted to 18.9 billion yen. So SBI, a huge investor in Ripple Labs. So in other Ripple news, Ripple is doubling down on Asia by acquiring 40% of cross-border payments from Tranglo. This was actually last month, but I did think it was relevant since we are talking about XRP. It says that Ripple announced it's acquiring 40% of Malaysian payments firm Tranglo. The deal means Tranglo will adopt Ripple's on-demand liquidity solution, which uses XRP. As of September last year, Tranglo's cumulative transaction value was $6.9 billion. The company has offices across Asia, including Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Jakarta, Dubai, as well as London. The Ripple announcement stated the payments company would use Ripple's ODL in existing corridors such as the Philippines and will introduce new ODL corridors. Tranglo will also use Ripple's line of credit to incentivize remittance companies that provide a working capital solution. As mentioned, they are doubling down on Asia by acquiring 40% of Tranglo. So that's huge. That's just another company that's under Ripple's umbrella. And if we go ahead and take a look at the XRP chart here, we are anticipating a move out of the zone here. It may bounce around here, and consolidate above this dollar range. But once this does actually decide to move to the upside, we're looking at a potential 183% gain from where it currently is at. And that will take us right back to previous all-time highs for XRP. So any little slight bit of good SEC news, I feel, will propel it over $2 easily. And we are looking at our first profit taking at around $3.80. So with that being said, that will do it for this edition of the Encrypted Capital Recap. If you guys like what you heard, please drop us a like, comment, and subscribe. And we will catch you all in the next video.